Hi everybody, this is Miss Eisenstadt, and today I'm going to share a video with you that will support you in building your basic Google site. This will be your final project for the academic year, and I wanted to go through the steps with you to make it easier for you to understand. The first thing you're going to need to do is log on to Google Classroom. When you log on to Google Classroom, you're going to see the Stream tab. I want you to find the assignment under the Classwork tab, and the final project is at the very top. Once you click on the final project, you're going to see that I want you to first review the Google slide lecture, following by looking at the assignment sheet here, and then you're going to build a Google site following steps 1 through 12 on the assignment sheet. In addition to that, you're going to include your artist statement and your custom logo, both of which were previous assignments leading up to the final project. The first thing I want you to do is click on the slide lecture. And we're going to go ahead and review the slides in sequence. And I'd like to start with slide number 4, which is going to include the criteria that should be included in your website. So if we look at slide number 4, you're going to need to include 3 photos of your artwork or your passions, or maybe that might be your hobby. So you're going to pick from one area of focus. Number 2, you're going to attach your logo, which you designed in an earlier project. You're going to cut and paste your artist statement. And then I want to see refined craftsmanship, which means clear pictures, alignment, straight edges as far as your text boxes so that all the words line up accordingly. So first, what we're going to do is look at the step-by-step instructions. So what I've done here is included screenshots so that you can properly follow along. The first one here is to log on to your school email. So you're already on your school issued email if you're viewing this presentation. The second thing I want you to do is to go to the Google Suite icon. So I'm going to open up a new page here and I'm going to do it along with you. Then you're going to click on Sites. What you're going to do next is you're going to create a site. And I want you to do that in New Sites. It's going to open up a tab for you. And if you're somebody like me who doesn't want too many tabs open, you can close the initial page where you started to open up the site and you'll see this here. From there, I want you to put your name here. And I'm going to create one for myself. And you can call this, it doesn't have to be your portfolio. It could be your blog. It could be your hobbies page. It could just be your name. Okay. And in addition, I'm going to put the same thing here. So you are filling the same thing out 3 times. But remember, you're not putting my name. You're putting your name. So I have things that match in 3 different places. Okay. Now I can mess around, can't spell today, with the text. So if I want to change the size of it, it only gives you about 4 or 5 options. Okay. And I think the bigger the better for the title. Now, in order for this to be a published site, I'm going to have you go publish. And then right down here where it says manage, I want this to be a site that anyone can view. So what you're going to do is change this here. And you're going to say public. And you're going to hit anyone with the link can view. Okay, so anyone with the link can view and anyone can view the public site. Then you're going to hit done. And then you're going to hit publish. Okay, that is probably the most important part so that I can view it, your peers can view it, and you can use it in the future.